Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert XRP crypto to Coinbase Wallet. So the very first thing that you have to do is just open up your Coinbase and click on buy and sell on the bottom. And from here, just click on convert. Then at the top where it says from, you just have to click on it and then make sure that it's set to XRP. Then at the bottom, do the same thing, but then with Bitcoin. So after having it set from XRP to Bitcoin, just have you can then choose how much you want to do, or I'll just click on convert. And then from here, you want to go back. You want to go and click on convert. And now at the bottom, and the order has been submitted. And now if I go to my asset, I will see that the XRP will be gone, and then it will become as Bitcoin. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!